Welcome. In front of me is an LG V50 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, all you need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to use settings as an example. And once that content is open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down. And there we go. As you've seen, there was an image of it being captured. It gives you a couple different options, so share, edit, and delete right here. And that's about it. Now once you capture that image, you can find it in your photo gallery. So right here, screenshots, and there it is. And that is basically how you'd capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.